Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Beignets only way. Combine active yeast with warm water and sugar, then let it foam for 5 minutes. Mix that with flour, milk, eggs, and a pinch of salt to form a soft dough. Knead gently until smooth, cover the bowl, and set in a warm spot until doubled. This creates the airy base that gives Beignets their cloud-like texture. After the dough has doubled, lightly flour your work surface and roll the dough to roughly 1/4 inch thickness. Use a knife or cutter to make uniform squares or rounds, which fry more evenly and puff consistently. Arrange the cut pieces on a floured tray and allow them to proof briefly until they look slightly puffy. This short rest helps achieve the perfect internal crumb and maximizes that desirable Beignet lift. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more home cooking tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, a fun companion for tidy kitchens after frying. It listens while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if it suits your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Heat neutral oil to about 350 degrees F, and use a thermometer to keep a steady temperature for even cooking. Fry the Beignets in small batches so the oil temperature recovers quickly. Flip once when the bottoms are golden to ensure both sides brown evenly. Drain briefly on paper towels, then dust each Beignet generously with powdered sugar while still warm so the sugar melts slightly and creates that classic sweet finish everyone loves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.